Good evening. Um, this this is my enhancement 6. Finally, I've had so much trouble with this, and I've spent so much time with it that it's been terrible. Um, thank goodness for Andrew. So you need to see. Um, you need to see me run this. Okay, so we're going to run our index. We're going to show you that we can log in as a user 1. So we're going to do, we'll just do bugs. We'll do Bugs Bunny. And we're going to put I love carrot and log him in. So here he is. He's logged in. Of course, he's a level 1, so he doesn't go any further. So we're going to log him out. And then we're going to go back in. And we're going to do admin and admin, log in. There's a level 3, so we have our product management. Stop our log out. From there, we can go in and you can see that these are there. These are not special yet. I've spent so much time on this that it's just going to have to wait till I get caught up. And then you need to see that it will log out and go back. Okay, so I think that's what you needed to see. There's my admin page did not want to validate, and I'm not sure why. It's something that I will have to work on later. I'm not sure what the problem was with it, but okay, it's done for now, and I need to get the other 2 weeks done. So thank you very much, and have a good night.